This is a pick-and-place robot, a type of automated system designed to pick up an object from one location and place it somewhere else. In this example, the robot collects products from a moving conveyor belt and places them inside boxes, trays, or packages. But the robot does not work alone. First, a camera or sensor detects each product and identifies its position and orientation. The control system then calculates where the product is, where it needs to go, and the movement the robot must make. The robot moves into position, picks up the product using a gripper or a vacuum suction cup, and places it precisely inside the box. And here is the interesting part. The products do not always need to arrive perfectly organized. With a vision system, the robot can detect products arriving in different positions and adapt its movements in real time. Pick-and-place robots are commonly used in food production, packaging, electronics, pharmaceuticals, and many other industries. They can work quickly and consistently while reducing repetitive manual tasks and increasing production speed. On this channel, I show you how robots, machines, and industrial technology work with explanatory videos and live streams from trade shows and real locations. Subscribe if you want to discover more of the technology working behind the products we use every day.